welcome again to Techno. My names are Kodichuku Okonkwo, and today we're going to be comparing two Zealot speakers, the S61 and the S49 Bluetooth speakers. When we bring out the two speakers like this, you can see the difference. You can see that the S61 is actually larger than the S49, which is a bit smaller. And when you look at the two sound reflectors, you can see they are very identical. And even when you go below, you can still see that they are very, very identical. So the S49 and the S61 have identical features. They're both barrel shaped, and they're both having the reflectors at the top and the reflectors at the back. Don't forget about the RGB, which actually shows up through the reflectors. One difference between both of them is the fact that the S61 comes with radio, and it also comes with microphone in. So you can actually attach a microphone into this S61 and use it, and also you can also play your FM radio through this S61, unlike the S49, which has none of these. Actually, S49 can actually be said to be a miniature S61. Okay, so some of these features were actually removed from the S49 compared to the S61. I don't know if it has anything to do with the numbers 49, 61. Okay, so let's just try and put them on and hear what they sound like. Of course, the S61 has 4 buttons, as you can see there, and also the S49 has 4 buttons. Okay, then but of course when you open up the inputs, you can see that S61 has some extra 3.5mm ports there, while having the USB type A, then the TF card input, then your charging port around here. Then when you open up the S49, the inputs, you can see from this that the S49 has just one 3.5mm input, which is the aux input. It's just the aux input there. Then the TF card is there, then the type A connection, USB, and then your charging port, which is the USB type C charging port right there. So much similarity, just that the S61 has radio and the S49 does not have radio. So now let's see how these things actually sound when you put them on. Okay, so I'll start with the S61. Okay, so if you look, you can see that it also actually has that RGB lights showing up at the top and the bottom there. So let's go to the S49 and hear how it sounds when you put it on. So if you look there too, you'll see that the S49 has this RGB light also showing. Then the difference between the lightings is the fact that the controls or the buttons of the S49 are actually illuminated. You can see they're illuminated by a backlight, kind of a backlight there. So that's one difference you can see with the buttons of the both of them. You can see side by side. Those are the two physical differences of the S49 and the S61. Okay, so right away we're going to go into the sound test. We'll go there. Okay, so having listened to the two Bluetooth speakers, you can now tell that the S61, Zealot S61 is actually louder and larger, but I think the sound quality remains the same in both of them, the S49 and the S61, like that. I actually made this video because someone requested specifically for this, and I know I'm seeing more requests and I'm going to be trying to do them one after the other. So thank you for coming with us, thank you for staying with us, thank you for liking our videos, thank you for watching our videos, thank you for sharing our videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Please, if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up. I can see so many people watching these videos, but just that thumbs up, just give us that like. Okay, then subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have subscribed, salute. We'll welcome you back. So please, I want to see you in the next video, and keep a date with us for the next videos. So thank you again, and goodbye.